Hey, welcome to part 4. Um, this might look familiar to you, little walking dude. But what is new is look at that face. Got a little wobbly eyeball, mouth open and closes. The focus of this video is this animated face. How do we do that? Well, we did it with shape keys. Totally awesome and also totally easy. I'm not going to use this video because the walking guide just makes it a little more complicated, hard to understand. So I'm just going to, I think I've saved this already. Oh no. Save. I'm going to just start a new one with the plain old boring box. Okay, shape keys. Let's do shape keys. First thing we're going to do is we are going to slice this thing up and make a bit of a mouth. Edit mode first. Oh, hold on. Let's turn on our screencast. Here we go. Get out of here. Okay. Add some loop cuts. What am I? Okay, now we can do this. Add loop cuts. That's gonna be the bottom of the mouth. That's gonna be the top of the mouth. That's gonna be the side of the mouth, and that's gonna be the side of the mouth. Yeah, very simple stuff. Grab that, and I'm gonna extrude it inward. Okay, so you can see here that we have a very rough looking mouth shape thing. Yeah, and this is, we're going to make this open and close. So this little object down here, the object data properties, has a window that says shape keys. In object mode, we're going to add the basic, which is our default one, and we're going to second one, which comes out by default is called key 1. We'll change that later, but for now we're going to leave it as key 1, just so you can see what the heck is happening. So now we have two different shape keys. We're going to edit our original shape key by grabbing this face, G to grab it, Z to move it down on the Z axis, G to grab it, move it up on the Z axis. So now we have a closed mouth. Yeah. So now we have our original. Edit object mode, back to here. Yet now we have this value here. Right there, value on our key 1 is set to 0. If I move it up to 1, you can see, if I warp it around here a little bit better, you can see here that the mouth opens and closes. That's it. That's how you do shape keys. You can make it a little harder. But that's the point. You make a new shape, a new shape key, you change the shape, and you change the value. It's really that simple. To make this a little easier to see, let's add some materials here. That one, let's add new material. Let's make this one. Well, that last one was like a pinkish purple color, something like that. It doesn't matter. Let's color the inside of his mouth a new color. I've got lots of new ones. Make it a lighter pink. Yeah, so now in here we have, there we go. So now you can see the mouth working a bit better. Yeah. Okay. So how do we make an animation of this? Well, we can turn on auto keyframing and we can make an adjustment, advance or playhead and make an adjustment. Oh, yeah, don't do that. Don't do what I just did. I hit the wrong button. This button right here, that's where you do the animating. Boop, there's keyframe. Move it, adjust it, add a keyframe. Merp. 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 And then we got like a talking thing. Yeah. So I'm just going to delete all those because they're fairly silly. So at the beginning of this video, I said, hey, we're going to make it and make more than one. We're going to change the name of that. Here's the changing name. I'm going to call this mouth up down because it makes the mouth go up and down. And I'm also going to add a new shape key, and I'm going to call this one mouth. Mouth side side. And so just like we did before, when we edit this one, I'm going to grab just that edge, grab it, move it, x-axis? Yeah. And grab that one, grab it on the z, x-axis again. Ooh. Grab x. I'm trying to find sort of the middle-ish. No? And so now I have this can close. Yeah. But here's the neat part. You can do both. They both. So I can make like a ooh sound. Or I can make a ah sound. Huh? You can add another one. Call it smile. And it's a little trickier. We need to add some loop cuts in here. So that when I grab that on the, and move that up. Yeah, so here we go, and the smile. Wee, wee. And again, you can put these in a weird combination. When you start getting too many, I'm glad this is happening. Like it works fine with our side to side. When we start putting a smile, I see this right here. What we get when we add the smile is we start getting faces that are overlapping each other, which is bad. It's bad. You can see here that the smile doesn't work properly. That's what you get for doing the lazy way. But that's how we made the shape keys. That's how we made the animation with the shape keys. Yeah, click this little button right here to animate the property. Change it. Got that auto keyframing on, so when you change it, it changes. Animate that property. This is what I'm doing. It's just random. I'm not doing anything deliberately here. I don't know. Got a weird. How long is this? 20 frames. Fairly bad animation. Yeah. On the other monster, I also added a UV sphere. And I grabbed it and I scaled it down. And I grabbed it some more. So it's sticking out like that. I rotated it 90 degrees on the x-axis, so it sticks out like this. And I went shade smooth, so it looks kind of like an eyeball. And in here, I made new materials again. And make it black. And select these faces right there and assign them as black so that you have an eyeball. Yeah. And you don't need to use any shape keys for animating this thing. The rotation. Oh, wrong thing. Don't do that. The eyeball. If you turn off this for a second. Rotation of the eyeball. Like that. You can just animate it through here. Oh, anyway, it's animated on there. So we go burp, make a change. There. Boop. Boop. I'm gonna make them look up or down, for that matter. I got a wiggly eyeball. Yeah. Okay. In our last animation video, I'm going to show you how to attach drivers to these, so you don't have to play with all the stuff over here. All right, that's it for today. Go try these things. Try it out.